Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. I want to show you a lot that I have of brand name designer girls clothing. I'm going to show you some of the pieces in the box to give you an idea what you can expect to receive. Keep in mind that the actual merchandise will vary because, as you might be able to see here throughout the room, I have about 2,000 pieces of children's clothing, and I have orders going out, and then I will be bringing in more children's clothing as well. All right, so for instance, here we have a blouse, a really nice fancy blouse. Retail price is $49.85. I think it'll be better. I will show you the different pieces, and I will hopefully give you a very good idea of everything that's available. You are welcome to visit the next time you're in the New York area. If you have any family or friends in the New York area, they can visit as well. When you order online or you order by WhatsApp, I will give you a beautiful selection, a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes. And if you come here in person, or if you send someone on your behalf, then they can make a selection for you, or you can make your own selection. The majority of this lot consists of skirts, blouses, and dresses. I would say about 90% of the lot consists of skirts and blouses, and the remaining 10% consists of dresses. This is a really nice blouse by P's and Q's Quays with an original retail price of $62. Here we have a long sleeve summer blouse, color brown. Say brown with pink stripes. By brand Bose. Here's a nice blouse with a zipper in the back by Just Clay. It's a short sleeve blouse. See what the original retail of this blouse is. Original retail is $49.85. We have a mustard color skirt, as you can see. See what we have at the bottom of the box for some really nice skirts over there. Here's a baby blouse with an original retail of $39.85. I like how it has the buttons and that tag on the front. I also like the ruffled sleeves. As you can see, there are many different items here. This is only in one box. So as I mentioned, you're definitely welcome to visit, and I would be so happy to do business with you. Thank you so much, and have an amazing day. Please do try to come as soon as you can, or place your order as soon as you're able to, because the best of the merchandise, tends to sell out the fastest. All right, thank you so much. Have an amazing day.